Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you how to make crispy bhindi fry with Vadapav masala. For making this recipe, prepare some ladyfinger, cut them into ring, some green chili and some cloves of garlic, chop green chili and garlic. Prepare some Vadapav masala. Otherwise you can use the leftover Vadapav masala. Turn on the heat, put a pan, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. After oil is hot, add cumin and mustard seed. Let them splatter, then add a pinch hing and cloves of garlic. Saute for a few seconds until the raw smell is gone. Then add the rings of ladyfinger along with chopped green chili. If you are making this recipe for kids, you can skip the green chili, add some turmeric powder and salt as per your taste. Saute for a few seconds over medium to high heat. Stir continuously, give a good mix and cook until the ladyfinger is crunchy like this. Now add the Vadapav masala. Vadapav masala is made by mixing ingredients like desiccated coconut, peanuts, sesame seed, salt, dry mango powder, red chili, cumin, coriander powder, garlic and sugar. Add this Vadapav masala and cover and simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, open the lid, give a good mix. Stir continuously for 2 to 3 minutes over medium to low heat. See our yummy ladyfinger is done. Kid also definitely love this recipe. Serve this recipe with chapati. If you think my video is helpful, like, share and subscribe.